Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Fenugreek or Methi dal. Okay, for that I've taken 1 katori tuar dal. I have washed it say 2-3 times and soaked it into water say for half an hour. Then so much katori, this chopped, very finely chopped fenugreek or methi leaves. Then with that I've taken one small onion finely chopped, one medium size tomato finely chopped, and say about 8 to 10 garlic pods which I have chopped. Along with this I need cumin seeds, mustard seeds, then I need red chili powder, turmeric powder and dhania powder or coriander powder and some water. Now I have already kept some oil for heating. I have taken 2 ladles of oil. Into this now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. After they have crackled, see they are crackling, see, okay. Now into this I am going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. I'll put the gas flame a little lower, and into that I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Okay, now into this I am going to add this garlic. I am going to cook it till it becomes brown. Okay, till it becomes brown. See, my this garlic started turning brown. Now at this moment I'll be adding onion, finely chopped onion. Okay, let it get cooked till it becomes translucent. It is not to be browned at all till it turns translucent. The rawness of the onion should also disappear. Okay, now see the onion started turning translucent. See the onion, so the rawness of the onion is also disappeared. Now at this moment I'll be adding tomato. Now this will take little time to get cooked till they become little mushy. See, this is how it's been cooked. Now at this point I will be adding this chopped methi. Okay, I'm going to add salt only after the dal is cooked, pressure cooked. Okay, now this I'm just going to saute it for a minute or two, and then I'll be adding some of my dry masalas and the dal. Okay, if you are liking my recipe, please do subscribe to my channel. Please click on like button and share my video with your friends, family and relatives. Please do this and try making this dal. This dal is awesome, I'm telling you. This goes good with normal chapati, with parathas, with bhakri, with rice, with jeera rice, everything. And you can have it anytime. That is, you can take it for the tiffin also, or you can take it make it for the lunch and the dinner. Everybody likes, because this is very healthy and very tasty dal. There is a lot of methi into this. See, this has been cooked now. Now at this point I'm going to add so much 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Okay, then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Okay, and 1 teaspoon, that is flat teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is done now. Now I'm just going to saute it for 2 minutes till the spices are incorporated into this methi. Okay, and then I'm going to add dal, and then we are going to pressure cook it till the normal, that is 3 to 4 whistles. And then after that I'm going to what you call level my salt level here. Let's see, I'm going to adjust the salt level. Now this is done here. The masalas have incorporated into this methi. This aroma is too good. I'm loving it just while making. See the taste. Now this dal, which has been soaked for now almost an hour, you can say, this I'm going to add, and this is going to get cooked into the pressure cooker itself. You don't have to cook the dal separately for this. Besides this, I'm also going to add so much water, say about 2 katori water into the dal. Okay, just give it a mix. Just give it a mix, and I'm going to put a lid of the pressure cooker. Okay, and I'm going to put a whistle, and I'm going to allow it to cook for 3 to 4 whistles. After 3 whistles, 3 to 4 whistles, I have allowed it to cool, and see, this is how the dal looks. Now with this ravi or with a whisker, you have to whisk this. It should be made plain. Now into this I want to give you 2 tips, and the tips are, suppose you don't have a fresh methi. At that time what will you do? When you add dal into the cooker for pressure cook, that time you add 2 tablespoons of kasuri methi. That will serve the purpose of your methi, for methi dal. And the second one I want to give you is very important. To get rid of the unpleasant smell of the garlic, what you are going to do is, you are simply going to wet your hands and just you are going to rub at the back side of any steel spoon or anything. Even the your tap will also work. Just simply rub it like this. Immediately you will get rid of the unpleasant smell of the garlic. You try this. This is very good tip for you all. Okay, now I'll just add little water to this, and I will bring it to a boil. Okay, this is done. The dal is completely been whisked. Now I'll keep this on one side. Okay, and to this I'm going to add little water, say about 1 katori water. Okay, so much. That's all, half the katori, not 1, half the katori, and I will bring it to a boil. Okay, now I'll just mix this. Now let this dal come to a boil. Meanwhile, I will do one tadka for this dal. I will heat, say about 1 tablespoon of oil, and into that I'm going to add I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin and some red chilies, followed by the curry leaves. Say this is 1 red chili, dry red chili. Okay. Okay, done. Now here the ghee is heated. I'll reduce the flame, and I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of cumin. Okay, and into this I'm going to add red chili. Put the gas flame off, and some curry leaves. Okay, this is done here. Okay, the dal is also come to a boil. Now this I am going to put it to the dal, and this tastes so good. I'm telling you, you must try this recipe, and this goes well with the dals and the rice and the rotis and everything. Now this I'll serve it into another pot. Okay. So this is how my methi dal look like. If you like my recipe, please make it, and please do write your comments in the comments box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.